Do you think you never have time to clean up your kids' toys? Sure, you would love to have a perfectly organized playroom that's always Instagram ready, but there's just no time, right? Hi, I'm Tidy Mommy, and as a mother of 3 boys, our home has had more than its share of messy toys. With so many other things we need to do, here are some instant toy organizing hacks that could change your life. Hack number 1. Drawstring mats clean up fast. If your kids have Legos, cars, animal figures, play foods, and whatnots, you have probably spent more time packing them away than you can count. But with this miracle organizer, you'll be shocked at how quickly you can do it. Just pour out the contents on the mat where your kids can play, then when they're done, just pull the drawstring, place the cover, and it's clean. Amazing, right? A huge time saver. No more picking them up one by one. You can find this on Amazon. This one is the Slide Away by Creative QT. The secret is the built-in mat with a drawstring. Pour the contents onto it. So after playing, you can simply pull the drawstring, slide everything into the bin, and put the cover. You can also find pink ones, or even ones with zippers. Now you can pack away Legos, literally, at the drop of a hat. Hack number 2. Be dart smart. If you're losing time picking up Nerf darts all over the house, here's finally a solution that doesn't involve picking them up one by one. That's right, it's called the Weasel Nut Gatherer. It's a tool for gathering nuts but amazingly works with Nerf darts too. Simply roll over the darts and watch it collect them all automatically, almost like magic. You may need to approach the darts from the side, but it works with most surfaces without you having to bend over, even with other toys. It's available on Amazon. Tap the link in the description below to take you there directly. Now picking up darts will be like a shot. Hack number 3. The peg is mightier than the sword. Long toys like Nerf blasters and swords are always a challenge to store because it's never easy to get what you want without messing up the rest, wasting your precious time having to pack them away. Oh, no. The trick is to hang them. Use pegboards for Nerf blasters and, believe it or not, mop holders for swords. These display their entire collection at a glance, so finding the one they want is simply picking it up. And packing away is just as fast. You can find pegboards on Amazon and also mop holders that grip. Hack number 4. Book bins are in. Do you want to encourage your kids to read but they just can't seem to put them back properly? The trick is to use book bins. It's the tried and tested way to keep books neat and organized all the time. Because no matter how casually the kids may dump their books back in them, they will always end up standing and lined up neatly. See what I mean? Plus, bins are a great way to sort them by theme or topic, just like in preschools. Label them with pictures, and your kids will always find what they want and know where to put them back themselves. You can find clear ones on Amazon or even rainbow-colored ones so you can use the colors to sort by theme or topic. Now your books can always stand and deliver. Hack number 5. The case is clear for dolls and cars. Does your little girl dump all her dolls on the floor just to find that one doll? Here's a quick solution. Display all of them neatly in a clear case. This lets her see her entire collection at a glance, so she can find the one she wants easily without having to dump everything out, saving you precious time. You can find this on Amazon. This one is double-sided and can hold up to 48 dolls. For dolls with fancier hairstyles that are bulkier, you can try this stackable storage. It lets you stack as many layers as you want as your collection grows. It's also great for sorting other small toys like Lego bricks. If you have boys with toy car collections, keeping them in bins will also make it hard to find the cars they want. My favorite container is the Creative Options Thread Organizer. It has perfectly sized slots for seeing your entire collection at a glance, so your kid doesn't need to dump everything on the floor just to find that one car. It's available on Amazon. It's double-sided and has 48 slots. And unlike keeping your cars in bins, which can make them rub and grind against each other, this protects each car in its own slot, keeping it in good condition longer. Hack number 6. Put all your art in a basket. If your kids love to draw or paint, portable caddies are a great time-saving way to store and use art materials. Use cups to sort crayons from markers, paint, brushes, and other supplies. Handles make it easy for your kids to take it to their work area without spilling everything out. Plus, they see everything at a glance, so it's easy to find what they need. Then, when they're done, they can simply put the caddy back on the shelf. No more packing away. You can find several brands on Amazon, including ones already with dividers, or more open ones that let you configure it yourself based on the materials that you have. So those are some of the best time-saving hacks that I've put together for you. Try them out and I would love to hear from you. If you have any organizing challenge you need help with, please don't hesitate to comment in the description below. Until the next video, this is Tidy Mommy, organizing for maximum fun, making toys last, and encouraging independence.